Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two amazing cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you decide which one suits your needs better. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 captures life in crystal-clear 4K photo and video thanks to its exceptional performance and versatility. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 features a class-leading 40.2-megapixel X-Trans 5-hours CMOS sensor, delivering ultimate image quality and detail. Both cameras produce stunning images, ensuring you can capture every moment beautifully. When it comes to functionality and portability, the LUMIX G100 shines. It offers ease of use with its intelligent auto mode, making it perfect for beginners. The camera is also compatible with all LUMIX lenses, providing versatility for any adventure. Moreover, it can be easily connected to your computer to be used as a webcam, ensuring your web calls, live streams, and interviews look professional. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design, with dials making key functions quick and easy to set. Its compact and lightweight body maximizes portability without compromising functionality. Now, let's talk about the price. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 comes at a price of $749, offering great value for its features and capabilities. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 is priced at $2,199, positioning itself as a more premium option. It's important to consider your budget and the specific features you prioritize when making your decision. And there you have it. We've compared the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera in various categories. Both cameras have their own strengths, and it ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which camera you would choose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.